Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. I've got three charts up here because we've got a lot going on. And this is a Euro chart here. We're setting up, this is the first one we've done in a while. I think maybe the first one I've recorded in a long time of a Euro trade. And we just got filled. We'd go with the same parameters on the Euro as we go with on oil and, I was going to say oil and gas, oil and gold, where we go with a 10 tick stop and 10 and 20 tick on the profit targets. They're like 1250 for each tick. So we called out in the room our support level there of 1.4283, and if you take a look at it, it looks like this thing was coming down big time, and all morning. It's just after 9 o'clock here now on the East Coast, and we took one tick of heat so far. I mean, it's not over with yet, but we took one tick of heat. So welcome to the Trade Precision. This is, we did two oil trades already this morning too, and we got 10 ticks on each of them. We hit the first profit target on each of them, so we're 2 for 2, and let's hope this continues here. And we're playing this thing up, like I said, so far we've taken one tick of heat. Our trading room is open from 9 a.m. to 2:30 daily, and what we try to do in here is we try to call support. Must be thinking of my vacation. Support and resistance levels. And we're getting close. We're getting close on the first one. And because we use no indicators, we just decode the charts to see the true support and the true resistance. Just by doing that, we can scan a couple different charts at the same time. We can scan oil, gold, the 6E or Euro, this one here, and the ES. We do the ES because there's a lot of ES traders, although we like the price movement much more so on some of these other charts. Maybe we'll convert you someday to trade oil with us, or to trade. There we go. We got filled on the first one, and I usually move the stop up to one tick below what was a swing low. So I took one tick of heat, so it means we're going to get +8 anyway on this trade, while we wait and see if we catch this one. And that's really nice that it's so close. Sometimes it's you get +1 because it's it comes almost right to it. And we're approaching the second profit target now. And like I was saying there, like the hardest thing for me, with doing the room is to know the various levels of everybody in the room, and I talk about different stops and things like that. I'm looking here at this swing high and hoping that it can get up towards that, and that's what some of the people will go for. But some of the people, if capital appreciation is what they're going for, they'd be going up for that swing high. But if it's capital preservation, right up there is where they'd be going. But if it's capital preservation, then you might have your stop already at break even or break even +1. Getting up closer to that second profit target. See if we can get up there. And you can trail your stop, or you can do whatever there. It's touched it. It's touched it. I guess that's a nice thing about oil and gold. There, we're filled. Okay, so that's it. 3 for 3 now on trades today. Oh, that's just great. And what I was going to say is, if some of the like gold and crude oil are a lot more thinly traded, and you rarely see that happen. Usually you're right up near the front of the queue, but it's great. We got a winning trade on the 6E. We're back to the oil here again, and let's see if we can get something going here. We're looking for support on oil. We had a losing trade in gold just a little bit ago, but other than that, we've been all winners today. And this is like the 7th trade, and they were filled. Okay, we're filled on oil and we had support at 99.65. And this is what we do. We do a 10 tick and a 20 tick profit target, and we're trying with 10 tick stops here now. We had been going to bigger stops on the beginning part of the week and the end of last week. And look at that. Wow. Did you see that, guys? Wow. It blew up and it blew right through my two. Wow. It went 10 and 20 just like that. I mean, it took a little while to make the first 100, but to make the second, to make the second one, it just blew like right through both of them. I traded the ES for years, and I never saw anything quite like that. Yeah, that was one of the most amazing things I think I've had. Well, I'm having trouble talking. I think it took my breath away. I've never seen anything quite like that. Wow, what a trade, everyone. Okay, that makes us 6 for 7 today. And here we are, we're about 10 minutes later. I caught my breath finally. And we're back on oil. And we just caught that run up there. Now we're looking for a resistance level. And then we're filled on that. We're filled already. And let's see how this one works out. We were support. It's funny, we were support up just a little bit higher. And now we're resistance down here. And trying again with that 10 tick stop. It's nice if we can get our stops close again. The first profit target is 1-to-1. The main reason for the first profit target is to get us into a risk-free position as soon as possible. And if you move your stop, to at least -9, you're risk-free on the trade, and you can go for a runner, on the second one, and that's just the way that we show it here. That there's many different ways you can set up your trades, and we're getting close. There, we got filled. Okay. All right, so now I move my stop down. I think I got to 62 or something like that, so I'll move my stop down to like 63 here on this one and see what happens. But there's many different... No, we got stopped out. Well, another one plus 10 anyway. So I tell you what, I think that's going to be our last trade today. So we were 7 for 8, and if you'd have traded just one contract traders, would have done well today. You would have made, 10 ticks on 7 trades and lost 10 on 1. So that's 60 ticks total. And the 6E is is 12.50 a tick. Well, that's it for today. We'll have the room back open again tomorrow at 9 o'clock. We'll look for you then. We have a free 3-day free trial. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night, traders.